Hi, I'm Mark Polk with RV Education 101. When it comes to holding tanks on your RV, an important preventive maintenance procedure is rinsing and flushing the tanks on a routine basis. I like to rinse and flush the holding tank at the end of every camping trip. I'm fortunate because our RV has a built-in black tank flush. If your RV doesn't have a built-in black tank flush, there are other ways to accomplish this important preventive maintenance task. Let's take a look. In a previous video, we demonstrated rinsing and flushing the holding tank on the interior of the tank using tank wands. Today I want to demonstrate flushing the tanks from the exterior using these RV Hydro Flush products by Valterra. Let's start with the 45 and 90 degree Hydro Flush reverse flush valves. We are using this 18-gallon black water holding tank for demonstration purposes. Holding tank drains are configured differently. Some are located on the exterior of the RV and others are inside an exterior compartment. When you connect the Hydro Flush, some require a 45-degree angle where others might need a 90-degree angle. How do you use the Hydro Flush? It's best to rinse and flush the tank immediately after emptying the tanks. Connect the Hydro Flush reverse flush valve directly to the RV sewer drain. Connect your RV sewer hose to the opposite end. Use a hose designed specifically for holding tank maintenance like this RV flushing hose. Connect the included anti-siphon or one-way valve to the water supply to protect the fresh water from possible contamination. Connect the opposite end of the hose to the anti-siphon valve. When everything is connected, open the valve on the tank you are rinsing and flushing. You can control the flow of water using the valve on the Hydro Flush. And if you look closely, you will see how the flow of water is restricted to a small opening, which creates a powerful blast of water going into the holding tank. The high pressure water goes into the tank, it rinses and flushes the tank, the plumbing pipes, and the sewer hose. Allow it to flush until the water coming out of the tank runs clear. The Hydro Flush reverse flush valves are an effective method for rinsing and flushing the tanks from the exterior. If you want to go one step further, you can install the Hydro Flush tank rinse system to rinse and flush your holding tank. Let's install it right now. What's in the box? Hydro Flush sprayer. This mounts in the holding tank, providing a multi-directional jet stream to rinse and clean the tank. Vacuum breaker. This is a safety device designed to protect the fresh water system. Clear tubing. One end connects to the Hydro Flush sprayer and the other end to the flush hose. Angled bracket. When you install the system, the angled bracket attaches to the RV frame where it is accessible to connect the flush hose and rinse the tank. Using the Hydro Flush system, the sewer drain hose should be secured to the sewer dump station and to the RV's drain pipe. Prior to using the Hydro Flush system, the holding tank valve should be open and the holding tank should be empty. The provided vacuum breaker is a safety device which will prevent sewer hose water from entering the fresh water supply line. The female end of the designated flushing supply hose should be connected to the vacuum breaker and the other male end should be attached to the bracketed Hydro Flush hose connection. Turn on the water supply. The jet stream multi-directional spray removes and flushes away tank deposits. Flush the tank until the drain water flows clear from the sewer drain hose. This can take several minutes. Rinsing and flushing the RV holding tank on a regular basis will extend the life of the tank and help control odors and prevent clogs. Don't wait until it's too late. Flush the RV holding tank after each camping trip for trouble-free holding tanks. Thanks for watching and happy camping.